What's going on, all my winners? And today we're taking a look at this 2019 Toyota Highlander. Stay tuned. This body style debuted in 2017 and has minor upgrades every year. The cone-shaped grille extends all the way to the headlights and gives it a unique and uniform look. Other than that, you get standard projector beam halogen lights that look modern and sleek. For 2019, they put LED fog lights to replace the previous halogen ones. Sideways, you can see that nothing has really changed for this 2019 model. It still has a slowly rising belt line that disguises its 191-inch length. Down at the bottom, the exhaust pipe is slightly hidden. This bad boy is getting 20% on the two front windows to match the back half and the carbon ceramic film. Stay tuned while we tint it out. Yeah. We just finished the Toyota Highlander. It came out great. You got 20% on the two front windows, carbon ceramic, to block out those unwanted UV rays and infrared rays, guys. Every Wednesday at 9 o'clock, we go live to give you guys free stuff. That's right. We give away free tint and cash prizes, guys. Don't forget, Wednesdays at 9 o'clock, sharp. If you guys have a cool car and want a video done, please don't hesitate, call us up. We definitely want to make a video of your gnarly, exotic, or cool Japanese import. Without further ado, guys, check it out before we take it out. Yeah.